We are very late today. We are about 9 minutes late, so big apologies for that. A brand new launch coming today just for you, and Facebook, Instagram Live, all happening simultaneously. Now today is about the super sleek, beautiful, stunning hot pink color, okay? And we do a lot of blacks and creams and whites, and this time we thought that we had to explore this stunning color, okay? It has taken us a lot of time to crack this wonderfully perfect color, but here you go, you can see it, okay? Now my thing to you is that this is something that you absolutely can try, a same on same, as simple as it gets in terms of its silhouette, okay? Of course, you can really do it as a cord. You can do many different beautiful things with it, you know. Everything is possible. But for me, when I was kind of working on this color and this look, for me it was all about this striking one hot look that I could probably wear anywhere in the world, okay, and feel great about myself. So that's the look. This is 4,800 per meter. That's my pant. It's a really nice straight pants, not too loose and not too tight, and a kurta. Now of course for the detailing I've gone for a jali, hand jali here. A lot of it is kind of very much inspired from a traditional men kurta, but yeah, you can always make it feminine. And I'll tell you one very nice way of doing it is adding this very hot, wonderful dupatta to it, okay? So there you go. You've seen this Meenakari dupatta, but now you can really see it in this new avatar. Pair it up with this Katan silk and it's going to be amazing. So yes, this one is from our Meenakari, Georgette, Sona Rupa. You can see it all here and just see the whole combination. There you go. We have the style guides and we will be putting up the style video just in a bit after the live. We have been running really late this morning. Okay, now you can see this here right there with the gold border. Okay, now the tassels, when the tassels are there, it also kind of gives it this beautiful weight here. So if you're looking to kind of keep it a little crisp and formal, you can skip the tassel. If you want that, then definitely you can be going. But just look at that striking color. Wear it in the day, wear it at night, wherever you're going to be wearing this look, it's going to be a showstopper, I tell you that. Okay, silhouettes ka jo maamla hai, you have to go for a same on same. Next, the shape of it, just go for one that you like. Go for a rose A-line, go for a straight one, go for a V-neck. Great for embroidery too, in fact, so you can do that. But this one is Astana, and now I'm going to be showing you the fabric alone itself. This is the fabric. It's a yarn dyed, very, very specially made fabric, and yes, it's absolutely amazing. And at what price point? 4,800 per meter. Okay, 12,000 for 2.5 meter, but 24,000 for 5 meter. And you will not go wrong, whatever shape, size, look you're going to be going for, okay? I wore my knee butta after a long time back again, so yeah, that's also going to be a nice look of having these delicate jewelry paired up with these fabulous fabric. The other colors that we have in it is, first is this. So my whole idea was creating this for this particular season where you're in between, where you just want to wear a nice statement look, okay, but you don't want to get into the reds and the oranges yet. But this pink is anything but that traditional pink. It's as hot as it gets. Go for a gown, go for a full length if you want. It's going to be amazing. So that's a very nice green as well that we've gone for. Now isme we've tried like a dupatta like this. You can wear this. This will also be very nice because that's of course from a premium category, the dupatta that I was earlier showing you. Even a zari dupatta like this will be amazing with it, and yes, very soft. So that's what we were discussing. A look like this, you can be wearing it to work, you can be wearing it to an event in the evening, you can be wearing it to an art show, wherever, you name it and you can wear it. And I would easily just walk it wearing this anywhere in the world, I mean, that's my idea. I think I'm going to try that too, okay? So look at that. That's a peach one, all this wonderful Katan silk that you can see, and there you go. So here it is. How are you going to be placing your order for these wonderful pieces that you see? Look at that. I think that's looking so nice even in this color. Let's show you this color once and you can see it here. Look at that. I'm going to bring the fabric back, but the first thing that I wanted to show it to you was this dupatta, okay? Now, how beautifully the entire work kind of stands out with it. So, ye hai, and this is the fabric with it. That's again a look that really, early evening, sundowners, they're going to be beautiful for that, okay? And it comes with this broad border, there you go. Now, dupattas, of course, bahut sare hain. You can pair it up with some of the other dyeable dupattas that you want, but it's something that you just cannot skip on the fabric and on a look. If you're looking for something dressy, something fabulous, this is. The greatest thing is this fabric is ready to be shipped out. It can go out today. So yeah, we've done the first lot. It's we have some of it, but at the end of it, it's very limited. So if you're somebody who's going to go for this color, go for it today, because you know how it is with signature colors, right? Now look at that. That's a kind of a lavender and a kattan silk lavender. So you'll see the palette. It's just 4 colors. This hot pink, this lavender, the green, okay, and the pink, of course. So yeah, the pink, of course. So there you can see the 4 different beautiful colors, right here, that we're showcasing to you. I'm also going to be showing you some suit sets right after that you can be kind of picking up. Here you go. I think it looks so nice in each one of them. You're going to be having a tough time to pick. But my thing is, do your fabrics hai? We have made them, probably as much as you can see. So, except for the pink. So, the cue is that jaise hi aap dekhen, aap apne favorite pieces pick up kar paye. And yes, I've done a very kind of a masculine kind of styling for this. But it's very sharp, sleek, okay? And I'm going to accessorize it, high heels, sharp heels, some neck pieces, delicate jewelry. It's not meant to be over. But again, of course, agar aap waisa dupatta pehnne wale hain, then you're going to go for like a traditional kind of a cut, then you can wear as much as jewelry as you want, okay? Aaj thode hot colors hai, and there are like so many of it that I'm going to go for. It's a very short and sweet live where we're going to be showing you some selective colors that are all so bright and so wonderful, okay? Let's just stick to the wonderful bright colors. Let's make that like super concise theme of our live today. There you go. Now look at that. Oh my god, what is this? This is our premium Karwa Meenakari suit set, and I mean, just look at the work right there. You can see that the 2 colors Meena, the Sona, and I love this, okay? There you go. This is from our premium category. You can see that yes, it's woven all by hand, but there's also a matching bottom with it, so it's like your perfect formal look, especially for this season. I think it doesn't get better than this. There you go. So that's one. मैं इसके सिर्फ आपको 2 ही color दिखाऊंगी, and I think they're oh, thank you so much. There's I think one more, so I'm going to show you just one more color to it. The lavender, yes, I think we're doing so many of lavenders. Look at that. Now this is a neon, but you can see the whole purple on purple, which looks amazing. This dupatta and this bottom, and ye dekhiye, this is the bottom that's been made on it, and I think it's like a perfect set. So it's a brand new live with a brand new collection and launch after a long time. I think the 1st of June, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, I think the 1st of June. So it's taken us the entire month to be doing a new launch, but here we go. And there you go. Now this one, after those 2 colors, we've done this slightly subtle and equally beautiful. Now you'll see this whole tone is a very golden yellow tone with this, and of course the wonderful dupatta that you can go for it, okay? I think it's absolutely amazing. From there, we're going to go to a dupatta, and it's as stunning as it gets, and I will show it to you now. Look at that. There you go. Oh, isn't that just amazing? This one is a silk dupatta. It's been made in Jal. It's of course entirely in Karwa. You can see the design right here. Now, एक जो आपके पास option है, which is what you can do, is wear it with this pink. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can tell us that you want a matching plain fabric with it. We will custom make it for you. उसमें सिर्फ minimum जो रहता है वो है आपका meters. But look at the finishing, the entire look right there. I think it is absolutely exceptional. Okay. Now I'm sitting, but remember that ये दुपट्टे जो हैं, they are super easy to be carrying and to be wearing. Very easy, in fact. so you don't have to worry about it. Like if I were to kind of do it like this, it would become like in ek muthi mein aa jayega. It's that soft. So you know, you can have the most stunning effect. It can be so easy to wear. That's the whole beauty of it. So that's one hair of a dupatta for you, okay? And from that, we're going to go to this second design. So I'm going to play around with two designs and I'm going to show you some stunning colors in each one of them. And there you go. Now you see, the moment you pair up a yellow and a pink, it kind of starts to look, you know, something that you would wear it to a wedding, something you would wear it to a more kind of a traditional, more Indian theme. And the moment you see something like a same on same, I think also what would look amazing with this kurta is a neat Georgian dupatta. It looks so stylish with its sleekness and you know the flow and that just that touch of zari. Now I'm of course wearing my boota on my neck, but you can wear it on the dupatta and I think it looks flawless. So yes, you know, you can request us to send a picture of that to you and we will. But there you go. This is one very perfect haldi color. Wear it on red because there is this touch of red here. But I see so many of you wanting to create something different. We do have red katan silk. You can definitely grab that with this, or you can go for a contrast like with a pink. Now the next one, and that's the only dupattas that we have for you, is this one, and there you go. Oh yes, so that's like, you know, if I were to kind of show it to you with a white fabric, it would look absolutely beautiful. You know, you can see that just that touch of silver zari kind of makes a lot of difference to the whole look right there. Okay, so there you go. This is your second, this is a third dupatta that I'm showing you. Each one, you know, spectacularly beautiful and you know, something that you absolutely must have. Of course, the new thing is that our studio is open by appointments and that you can be here anytime. Okay, so you can be here. All you need to do is drop us a message and come here to see these amazing pieces for yourself. It's possible. Otherwise, हम जैसे हमेशा करते आए हैं, you know, for years now, you can simply, and it is so convenient actually to just do it on WhatsApp. I know I have clients who have been with us for years from the next lane, and I've never seen them. I would have loved to. They've never seen me. They would love to, but you know, busy life is. So we kind of do our business online, and it's perfect and it's amazing, you know, and it's a win-win. So there you go. Now from there, we've done a fabric, we've done a suit set, and you know, some stunning dupattas. From there, we're going to come to this ultra soft and this, what did I say? It's all going to be about amazing colors today. This very beautiful pure cotton suit with Meena, and I think it looks rather very, very nice. Okay, so there you go. Here it is, and I think it's just amazing. That pop of Meena, इसका जो bottom है वो भी loom पे बना हुआ है. In fact, I will open. I think it's inside right now. It's pending finishing. It just came and I wanted to just show it to you. So that's the fabric. It's also got a border. It's got this self texture. So it kind of adds a little, you know, extra joy. 1 second. That's the kurta. Once again, I want to give you a peek of it. I think ये blue और जो pink है ना, it's amazing. Okay, this one is a set. Okay, so I think somebody is asking, this one is a set. You can buy it only as a set, this particular piece. And honestly, if I tell you, बहुत बार मैं बोलती हूँ आप अलग ले लें किसी और में पहनने, पर इसका जो मजा है, and when you have felt the fabric of this one, it's meant to be soft. It's meant to be worn like this together. Oh my God, that's a very nice blue. Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's like a stunning new range of colors and of course concepts and new launches today, and that is what it is all about. So there you go from that. Now one fabric that everybody's been asking, and ये थोड़ा सा suddenly subtle हो गया है, but it's very, very pretty, is our bandi. And what is it that we have? So this is what we have again. Okay, let's try and show the blue and the pink again. Just set it up. I will come back to the blue and pink again, and you can take your pick and place your order. So remember guys, it's very easy. Photo le, WhatsApp pe aaye, order place kare. That's it. That's all that you have to do. So I have these stunning colors in our, you know, there you go, this one. These are all our bandhni colors. We do have a signature color which is on pre-order. Okay, it's not ready to ship, it's getting made. So that's what I say, it's always like that, you know. I think it's so much easier to visualize when you see a color. So this is of course a signature color. Thoda bahut abhi ready hai, and you can see my sleeves need tightening. I didn't try it, so it's not my team's fault, you know. So you have to try, okay. So a lot of times you say aapki fit achhi hai, because I have to try it. That's why they make it so perfect, okay. So you have to try it. Now I didn't, and you can see it's slightly loose here, so I'm going to get that rectified. And I'm also going to, you know, style this look probably very differently also. Like I could wear it anywhere. So look at that. Now coming back to the bandhni, which is what we were talking about. These are most brilliant, okay, as a kurta, as a plain bottom, and then you can wear it as a dupatta. We do have a look with it, and it is just gorgeous. Look at that, ultra light as a dupatta. So imagine yourself wearing this light dupatta, the kurta of the same one. Many of you have gone for the same bottom, which also kind of makes a lot of sense. This is 6,000 per meter. And some of you have gone for plain katan. So this is katan silk and bandhni and absolutely no zari. So ye hai iska maza. And in between all the brightness today, we have come and shown you all of these soft, beautiful colors as well. I will bring the pink suit to you in just a bit while we are getting settled and bringing it ahead. Another hot fabric from today is going to be a premium cotton. और इसके साथ, you know, I'm going to offer, it's such an amazing color. Look at that. Here it is. Yes, I do have a Georgette dupatta. I will bring it at the very end again. I will. Okay, is it this Georgette dupatta? No, so this you keep it here. Can you also get the white linen? White knee buta. एक बार जाके कोई भी color में, even in the blue, the shocking blue, it's very beautiful. Like if we can get that. So coming back to it, I mean that I just thought, so I'm going to try it now. This is a premium cotton. Look at the beauty. It's all karwa. And one way when you want to wear premium cotton, dress it up, ye ek tarika hai, which is our Georgette dupatta, as you can see. And it goes very well. You want to keep it simple, just wear a nice kota silk dupatta in the base or green. That will also look very nice. Yet another color that you can see is this one. And that's a blue, so you can see. Oh, now these, for me, for this design, I would say just go for a kurta. You can go for a A-line, acha lagega, and plain bottom. That is all that you're going to be needing. And finally, I have this off-white that kind of never ever fails you, okay, with all its beautiful meena, the softness of white. You know, just pick this up anywhere and you can wear it. Well, thank you so much. You guys are amazing for all the love that you send. Yes, you know, and I think it's such a fabulous fabric just to wear as a nice kurta, plain bottom, and you'll be done. Yeah, that is what I wanted. This, I was saying about Georgette dupatta that we should be wearing. I have this whole lot of dupatta that are there, okay, and this is a knee buta. So, jo maine start out kiya tha, that was this very heavy dupatta that we were wearing. It's very beautiful. But in case you're looking at a light dupatta, imagine the shock of this blue and this pink. But you know, why not? I like and love bright colors, and I think it's all about styling, how you're going to be wearing them. You want it to be sleek, you want it to be a little bold, all of that is possible. What you see here, this is the most beautiful dupatta in Georgette, all made in Karwa, of course, and it is the knee buta, as you can see it, okay? It is the knee buta, the logo, jo hamara hai, yehi aap dekh rahe hain. I'm also going to wear it with a purple, so you can do a pink and purple, you can do katan silk match to this, that's also possible. Today I'm going to say this, today, you know, you want to, it'll take time, but you say, yaar, isse mujhe aap 5 meter katan silk bana ke do, I will make it for you, okay? I will make it for you. So we'll make it possible for you. So guys, remember that whatever katan silk, yarn dyed ki baat kar rahi hu, main dyeable ki nahi. But haan, time aapko zarur dena padega main. And this is a very different pink, but which is what I was saying, that if you wear this, it's going to be really flowy. It feels really good, very sexy, about yourself, you know. I mean, that's what's most important. So beautiful dupatta, there you go. Okay, so this is now what I have, and this is the next thing. This is a premium cotton, and it's like one single dark, lovely, amazing color. Shall we purple be yay purple, or it's a different color? I think it's a different color, is it? Let's see. Yeah? it's a different shade of purple. I was just trying to see if I could show that with this. But you know what, I do have the most amazing. Now I'm going to do this like this because you do need to wear lining with it, okay? And ekdam perfectly color lining. Mujhe iska color dikhana hai. That's why I'm just doing it as a double layer. And then I have this. Yes, that's my latest dupatta with red bandhni. Now this is going to go for tassels, okay? But it's just stunning. Look at it. Purple and red has never looked better. This is our very small limited collection of, you know, bandhni dupattas in cotton and in this. Now you can of course wear it with silk, but I think a premium chanderi 980 per meter is going to be amazing with it. If you want to kind of thoda sa aapko isko, you know, add karna hai maza, then you can also do this. So this is a great one. Okay, somebody is requesting that blue and pink again. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so I am going to do that. Let me just keep this here. And okay, let me just do that. Because I want to do that, whatever you guys are saying. It's always, you know, I'm just happy that you guys are here in the live. To banta hai, you know, why not? So there you go. That's the pink. Okay, this is all Meena. This is all this beautiful weave. Very, very soft. Dupatte ko dekhein, ekdam clean. And it's like ultra lightweight. I have worn this in black, so that is the color that I have worn. और ये जो है मेरे पास, ये है दूसरा, that's the blue. And yes, so apart from this, you can also ask us for the pictures. We have black, which is a signature one for a nice black formal suit. But these summer colors, super, super attractive. And what I was showing to you earlier, I'm going to come back to that, which was this wonderful premium cotton fabric, which is 6,800 per meter. और इसके साथ जो पूरा look है वो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, which is of this red bandhni dupatta. How amazing, amazing that looks. Look at that, the maroon, this nice. So what color is this? This has got a hint of yellow and it's also got a hint of green, I think, you know, that's why it's so unique. And each one a unique piece and color that you can see with red bandhni. And these dupattas are 22,800 with the tassels, okay, with the tassels. They come with beautiful gold tassels, so that's the part of it. Finally, I have one color and here you can see, so resham tassels, yes, now I'm remembering we have styled this one with resham tassels. So look at this. This will also go, yeah, very well with the fabric that I was just showing you. This, yes, my kurta fabric is the new launch from today, my kurta and bottom, and it is available for immediate shipping, and it is 4,800 per meter, and it's fabulous and you must absolutely have it, okay? So yes, so there you go. This is the amazing look that you have, and look at that. So wear this on its own, this dupatta. You can also do a base color premium chanderi, gaf chanderi, whatever you would like with it. And it's absolutely wonderful, okay? From that, the last one, we're just down to our last two pieces that we have for you. And ye hai third last, iske baad do, and that's it. So there you go. Here it is. This blue and blue. So you'll see both have that. This has a touch of red meena. This is red bandhni with this cotton. So easy to wear, always good, always such a great way to be kind of dressing up. I think it's absolutely amazing. And you know, when you have classic pieces like this, kuch bhi color combination aap usko bana sakte hain apne hisab se. It's always good, and there you go. Okay, so that's my look from today. It needs a little fitting, I'll get that done. But sleek pants, straight kurta, we'll put up a style video soon. And of course, you can just style it with all of these things. I have the last two pieces coming up, which is this, which is our cotton suits. There you go. So आज मैंने I think आपको तीन categories of suits दिखाई हैं. This is of course 26,800, and this is our starting in a premium cotton suit set. Then we did a, you know, next up with the ultra soft meenakari suit. That was one collection. Then we also did a premium one. So three types of suits. We have done some stunning Georgette dupattas. We've done some Katan silk dupattas and like amazing ones at that. So yes, that's your cue that for this new launch, you absolutely must be going for it today. You know, decide about the dupatta. Sure, आप decide कर सकते हैं दुपट्टा आपको क्या लेना है. Fabric pe you should not wait, okay? 24,000 for 5 meters. That's the match. Oh, there you go. Here it is. That's a very nice jal design. Both these jal design, very good to wear, very easy to wear. And that's it. Okay, so that's all from today. And yeah, we'll close with the two dupattas, my pink dupatta and एक white dupatta है जो बहुत ही सुंदर है. And you know, really, now look at this. You see this entire look and it kind of starts to look so different. So when you like bright colors and if you're still thinking कि यार मैं कैसे पहनूं, you know, offset it. You wear an off-white dupatta like this, it's just perfect, okay? So there is always a way, and very importantly, don't shy away. Agar one color is the only color that you like to wear every day, just go ahead, do that, okay? Don't worry. So thank you so much, guys. Yes, that's the statement dupatta. This is what I started out with. This is what I've styled it. If I were to pick a dupatta for it, and my number 2 option would be, I would go for a knee dupatta in Georgette. It's looking fabulous with it. You can dye it or you can just wear it in a contrast color too. So that's going to be my pick. Thank you so much for joining in. Hope you are going to enjoy this new launch. Okay, it's the last live of this week. So I'm going to see you soon again. Thank you so much. Have a great one. And sorry that we were a few minutes late. Place your order on WhatsApp. And number 2, if you are planning to visit, just drop us a message on WhatsApp. कहाँ है हमारा WhatsApp number? On every post that you see, you can see it here. You can see us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So remember to subscribe to your notifications on all 3, okay? All 3 so that you get a drop down that we are live. Thank you so much, and I will